She is talk show host, television producer, actress, author, and philanthropist. She is best known for her talk show, The Oprah Winfrey Show, broadcast from Chicago, which was the highest rated television program of its kind in history and run in national syndication for 25 years from 1986 to 2011. She and her boyfriend Stedman have been together since 1986. They were engaged to be married in November 1992, but the ceremony never took place. Her biological father is usually noted as Vernon. Her company created a Oprah.com website. Her mother, Vanita Lee, who was 83 years old. She has two sisters, Patricia Lee. She bought Patricia Lopton a $500,000 home in the Wisconsin. His half-sister Patricia Lee and half-brother Jeffrey Lee died in 2003. She has three nieces, Lee Perez, Andre, and Alicia. She was born in the Kosciuszko to an unmarried teenage mother. She has an estimated net worth of $2.8 billion. In 1971, she broke up with the high school sweetheart Anthony Otte. In the 1970s, she had a romantic relationship with John Tesh. Her mother Vanita was a housemaid. She was raised as a Baptist. She has stated she was molested by her cousin, uncle, and a family friend starting when she was 9 years old. She once commented that she had chosen not to be a mother because she had not been mothered well. She has co-authored 5 books. She attended Lincoln High School in the Milwaukee. she won an archery contest which secured her a full scholarship to Tennessee University. Her first job as a teenager was working at local grocery store. At age of 17, she won the Miss Black Tennessee Beauty Contest. She also attracted the attention of the local black radio station WVOL, which hired her to do the news part-time. His career in media would not have surprised her grandmother, who once said that even since she could talk, she was on stage. Working in local media, she was both the youngest news anchor and the first black female news anchor at Nashville's WLSC TV. Dubbed the Queen of all media, she was the richest African American of 20th century and North America's first black multi-billionaire. She has been ranked the greatest black philanthropist in American history. By 19, she was co-anchor for the local evening news. She launched her own production company and became internationally syndicated. In 2013, she was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by President Obama. She was awarded honorary and doctorate degrees from Duke and Howard. In 2008, she formed her own network, Oprah Winfrey Network. She publishes the magazine O, the Oprah magazine, and from 2004 to 2008 also published a magazine called O at Home. On February 9, 2006, it was announced that she had signed a 3-year, $55 million contract with XM Satellite Radio to establish a new radio channel. She has won many accolades throughout her career, includes 18 Daytime Emmy Awards, including the Lifetime Achievement Awards and the Chairman's Awards, 2 Primetime Emmy Awards. She is also investor in the True Food Kitchen restaurant chain founded by author Andrew Weil.